Hello, Tale Tribe. What else could it be better than tuning into interesting tales with your lad to help them learn more about the world and the right conduct in their formative stages of life? Hey, you found the right tune. Welcome to the potpourri of short tales for little champs gain their best moral values to shape their personality. A little girl, Emily, was celebrating her 9th birthday. There was a balloon party arranged for that evening. She had invited many of her friends. Everyone turned up to the party with surprising gifts. Emily was having fun with her friends while her uncle stepped in to bless her. Looking at lots of balloons around, Emily's uncle had an idea. So he stopped all the kids and said, "Let's have an activity. I'm sure all of us will have fun. This activity is going to give you a lesson about the real purpose of life. So be careful and do your best." He requested Emily to pass a balloon and a marker to each friend. After she did so, he instructed them to write their name on the balloon they had. Once they were done, he collected all the balloons and dropped them in the next room along with lot more balloons. Emily's uncle came back and gave further instructions to the kids. He said, "Now all of you are required to go into the room and find the balloon with your name on it. Remember, you have only 5 minutes to do so. All the best to all of you." Thinking of the allotted time, everyone rushed into the room. In a hurry to find the balloon with their name on it, they pushed and shoved each other. In the end, none of them could find their balloon. Emily's uncle noticed everything and said, "Okay, now I'll give you another task." The kids were asked to randomly pick out any balloon and pass it to the person whose name was written on it. When Emily and her friends did as they were asked to do, they found the balloon with their name faster than before and realized that it was extremely easy to give others to get theirs. Finally, Emily's uncle divulged the lesson he was trying to teach the children. He said, "You see, kids, we do the same with our lives. We search every nook and cranny, but still find nothing. We push each other, we shove each other, and often hurt each other in the process of searching for our happiness. What we fail to realize is that our happiness not only depends on us, but also with the happiness we give others. So, if you want to be happy, give others their happiness and you will find yours." The kiddos at the balloon party learned the wisest course to happiness. Dear tribe, thank you so much for believing us. Stay tuned for the incredible content coming on the way. Empower us to spread the good vibes too. Give a go ahead if you sense the good fit for your little champs. Do assist us with your thoughts and experiences in the comment block. Above all, make sure to meditate for being mindful and take care of yourself the right way. Catch you soon.